Hello, this is Joe and Ewan from Venntifact. We're doing a series of videos around marketing technology fundamentals. Today's video is around the Customer Data Platform, or CDP. So there's been a lot of buzz around this term and a lot of attention recently with the big players, Adobe, Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, all announcing they're going to enter this space. Today's video, we're going to talk about how the CDP category came about and what do you need to know around CDP. So the Customer Data Platform is a very new category in market, and because of that, there's a lot of confusion around what is and what isn't a CDP. David Raab from the CDP Institute has defined 5 key criteria that he believes a CDP needs to meet. The first one is it needs to be able to collect data from any source. Generally, this means that a CDP has multiple means of ingestion. It could be APIs, it could be tags, it could be batch. But essentially, it's a flexible way of getting data into the platform. The second is that it keeps the full fidelity of the data that's being ingested. So an example of this, in contrast to a DMP, would be that a DMP ends up aggregating the data within the platform, whereas the CDP will keep the record, the original format that the data was captured in. The third one is that the data is stored indefinitely. There's no expiry date on the data. The fourth one is that it unites the data in a single customer profile. And this is quite important. This is how a customer data platform is able to bring in data from web, from offline, from in-app, and tie them together in a single record so that there can be that full customer profile. And the fifth one, which is also very important, is the ability to distribute the data out to any source. So again, CDPs are often known for their integrations, the fact that they can distribute data not only to pre-built systems, other platforms that might be used, such as Adobe or Google, but they can distribute to internal platforms used by a business as well. And that's really where a lot of the utility comes from. I mentioned a DMP before because there is a lot of confusion about DMP versus CDP, what does what. I would summarize it like this. A DMP is responsible for abstracting data. It's dealing with data in an anonymous form. It's rolling data up into segments or audiences that match a broad brush group of behaviors. A CDP is dealing with first-party data. It's a known customer. It's a full record, that full profile, rather than aggregated up. The DMP is dealing more with advertising ecosystem specifically. The CDP is dealing with your internal first-party system specifically. We're still at early days with CDPs, though a number of early adopters in the Australian market have started bringing the capability on board. And we expect this to only trend upwards, especially as the major players bring their offering to market. So what this means for you is, it's a great time to get your knowledge up around the customer data platforms and lead the charge within your organization. If you'd like to know more about CDPs and how to make them a success within your business, check out our Martech Tool Kit for Digital Professionals course. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to check out similar videos.